I just gotta see what this lady's doing out here. Hey, what's going on? What are we having for dinner?
I'm just making a lazy meal tonight. Something I used to make for the kids when they were little. I'm just gonna take some macaroni and cheese and cut some hot dogs up and put some chili sauce in it, add some cheese on top and bake it in the oven.
You can't cook on this. This is wood.
I'm not going to cook on it. I'm going to cut the hot dogs up on it.
You have it on the burner. You can't cook on that.
That's okay because that burner's not on, but it's probably not a good idea because I turn things on and forget I do. This is a new macaroni and cheese. We haven't tried this one. Creamy jalapeno bacon. I thought that sounded really good.
We tried a lot of different box macaroni and cheeses, and honestly, these Walmart brand ones are the best ones we found over like all the brand name ones.
I'm just gonna add some hot dog chili sauce and cut these hot dogs up, and we're gonna put it all in this casserole dish and put it in the oven.
Just gonna burrow them all in that?
Well, I'm just gonna boil the noodles. The hot dogs are gonna bake in the oven. In the macaroni and cheese.
Okay, well, sounds interesting.
All right.
Zeus, what do you think of this?
He's hungry. He'll eat anything.
Are you ready for this thing she's making? I guess it's better than eating the cats. Eating the cats. Eat the cats. We just got ahead of me here. I don't know what's going on.
So I only cook the noodles half the time because you're gonna bake it, so you don't want them to get all mushy and gushy. And add that cheese in there. Got our hot dogs cut up, and we're gonna add them in and mix it all in. We're just gonna add that chili sauce right in there. Kind of scraped pretty clean.
Old all over again.
That's what I'm talking about. This is really great for your diet. Kind of looks like cat food, maybe. I don't know. Uh-oh. The cats think it really is food for them.
What's going on out here? What are we doing? Meow. After a message from the sponsors, we're back to see what's going on.
Oh, the cats are the sponsors?
Yeah.
Alright, so you got that all mixed up good.
I'd like to say this looks good, but I'm not sure.
It just needs to taste good. It's not always about appearance and being aesthetically pleasing. And grab some cheese. Use some triple cheddar cheese on top. Just sprinkle some on there. Uh-oh. The maid just cleaned the house and I just dropped a piece of cheese, so I gotta get that.
My maid.
Wow.
She means me.
Alright, so there we have it. We got our oven set to 350. The noodles, like I said, were only half cooked. So we're gonna cook this about 15 minutes. Bake it.
The maid forgot to clean the top of the stove. Don't tell anybody.
Here, I got it. Did you see? I got that piece. I got it. I'm not gonna eat it. Nope, not this time. All right, we'll be back in a snap. Find my pot holders. I never know where they are.
You just got something for holding pot?
Just these little kittens. Little I forget what they're called. Day of the Dead kittens? Sugar skull kittens. They're sugar skull cats.
Stuff that's hot?
Stuff that's hot. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Poor man's dinner, lazy dinner, whatever you want to call it. One pot meal. Quick, easy, and done after a long, hard day's work. Let's see what that's like. Still look any better? Still look.
Not sure yet.
Sometimes it's about how it tastes. Let's see. We're just gonna eat on paper plates.
We're getting the fine china out.
Getting a fine china out. It's fine when you get the little holders for your plates. You see the spices in there from that. Alright, let's see. Gotta get a little bit of mac and cheese. Oh, that cheese on the top. And a hot dog. That's like a chili cheese dog without a bun. That's pretty good. I'll tell you that right there. That is scary good.
Bella wants to try some. She's ready. Bella, what's going on? You just need to have some of this?
You could add some jalapenos in there. You could add some tomatoes in there. You could kick it up a notch. Or two.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Sheila, for the recipe. See you next time.